Ridley Fenix SL is made from carbon both frame and fork. Uy, carbon lodi! Kung mapapansin nyo, napakalaki ng down tube niya and it's in diamond shape. Sabi nila it's for strength and high stiffness. Yung top tube niya is sharp edge shape for high stiffness. Same thing with the down tube. Meron siyang extra layer ng carbon sa corner ng diamond shaped down tube at top tube, increasing the strength of the frame. Handlebar is 40mm aluminum made by Pro. At ang kanyang handle post is physique. Not exactly sure what model, but it's around 80 to 90mm. Yung saddle naman niya, I'm not sure kung ano yung brand. Paki-comment na lang kung sinong merong ganito. And yung seat post niya is made of carbon din. Maganda rito kasi yung lock niya is nakatusok mismo dun sa carbon seat post. And this is a zero setback. Naka-Ultegra 11 speed STI na rin si Tatay Roger. Wow. Ultegra. And both front and rear brakes are Ultegra caliper brakes. Ganun din, naka-Ultegra crankset na siya. 50-34 teeth. So it's a compact crankset, good for climbing. Sa sprocket naman niya, it's 11 speed, 1132. So panis na panis ang climb dito, lalo kung aahon kayo sa Cabrera, Tikling, or kusan man. Front derailleur is a direct mount, Ultegra. Bali naka-Ultegra mid-cage derailleur na siya at B-link na ito to accommodate bigger cogs like 34 teeth. Ang wheelset naman niya is Sagnit System 1 aluminum, 14mm yung depth, 20 spokes yung harap and 24 spokes yung likod. Naka-Continental Grand Prix 4000 na rin yung tires ni Tatay Roger. Uy, chairman! Would like to thank Tatay Roger allowing us to review his new Ridley Fenix SL bike. At hanggang dito na lang po ang ating bike review. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. You're watching Mel Bicicleta Bike Vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ayos na ayos!